Hi friends, in today's video, I will show you how to set up Apache Kafka. So for setting up Apache Kafka, we need to download the Apache Kafka. So for downloading the Apache Kafka, we are going to Chrome browser. In the Chrome browser, we will search Apache Kafka. So I'm going to Chrome browser. Here I'm typing Kafka download. After searching Apache Kafka, here you will see one URL appears. So I'm clicking the Apache Kafka download. After clicking, you will see in the below binary downloads option is there. In the binary downloads option, you will see two version is available. One is Scala 2.12 and second one is Scala 2.13. So I'm going to click Scala 2.13 Kafka. So after clicking, it will download. So it will take some time for downloading. So waiting some minutes. After download, we will unzip it and will run it. Yeah, now it is downloaded. Going to download folder. Here you will see Apache Kafka tar file is there. So I'm copying this and pasting in the C folder, C drive folder. Here copying. After copying, I'm going to open CMD command. Now here we need to unzip it. Tar and xvtf xvtf. I think I'm not sure the command Kafka here. Okay, just give me 2 minutes. I need to xtvf. I think xtvf. Okay, xvzf. That is the command tar minus xvzf and our tgz file. So I'm typing here Apache Kafka tgz file and entering it. After entering, it will unzip here. Let's see in the folder. Yeah, it's unzip and here is the our Kafka. So I'm renaming the Kafka. Here I'm clicking the right click and renaming it as a Kafka. After that, I will open a fresh CMD command by using window R and typing CMD. Here I'm going to C drive. Here we need to go Kafka folder. So by using cd command, going to Kafka folder. Here you will see lots of folder there in the Kafka like bin folder. In the bin folder there is a Windows folder for running the Kafka in the window environment. So I'm going to run zookeeper which is manage the Kafka. So first we need to run Apache zookeeper. So for running the zookeeper, we will go bin folder. We will go bin folder. In the bin folder, there is a Windows folder is there. So here I'm typing zookeeper. Zookeeper is start server.bat and after that we are injecting the zookeeper property. So I'm running the zookeeper. Yeah, now zookeeper is running. You will see the zookeeper port in port here 2181. So I'm going to run Apache Kafka server now. So I'm opening another command by using Windows R and typing cmd. Here I'm going to Kafka folder. Here I'm going to run Kafka server. So by running Kafka server, we are going to Win folder, Windows folder. Now here typing Kafka and type. Now you will see Kafka server typing, then injecting the property of Kafka server and entering. Now wait sometimes. Zook, Zoo, Zookeeper is run 2181 and Kafka server will run 9092 port. So just wait some time, it will run. It is giving timeout. So sometimes you will face the timeout exception. So I am running again. If it will not run, then we need to clean the yeah now in the second time it is running. So if you see Kafka server will run 9092 port, which is highlighted here. So in this video, I have shown you how to set up Kafka. In the another video, I will show you how to set up the CapBat UI for check the topic's name and producing the message consumer's name and so on. So so if you want to like this video, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you, friends.